Hello friends, now we are going to study the condition of reciprocity and condition of symmetricity for all the parameter. First, we will be studying the condition of reciprocity. For that, we must understand what is reciprocal network. So, the reciprocal network, a two-port network is said to be a reciprocal network if the ratio of excitation at one port to the response at another port is same if the excitation and response are interchanged. We will understand through the two-port network. These are the same two-port network, first and second. The only condition will be different. This will be plus minus V1 I1. This will be plus minus V2 I2. Let us assume I am applying the excitation at port 1, that is a voltage source Vs, and we are short circuiting the second port, and the current is I2 dash. And next time we are short circuiting the first port I1 dash, and we are applying the voltage source as second port, that is Vs. This is plus minus V1 I1, and this is plus minus V2 I2. So according to the reciprocal network, Vs upon I2 dash, Vs upon I2 dash in first network should be equal to Vs upon I1 dash. So the condition for reciprocal network is Vs upon I1 dash must be equal to Vs upon I2 dash here. Now we are going to see in Z parameter what is the condition of reciprocity. We have one two-port network, that is plus minus V1 I1 and plus minus V2 I2 here. So first time voltage source has been applied to the first port, means excitation at first port and response at another port, that is I2 dash. From here we can write V1 is equal to Vs, and here I2 dash we can write minus of I2, as well as due to short circuit the voltage of V2 becomes 0. Now we know the equation. V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Putting all the condition into these V1 and V2, so Vs will become Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 becomes minus I2 dash, and here in second equation it is become 0 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 minus of I2 dash. In first equation here we can write Vs is equal to Z11 I1 minus Z12 I2 dash, and here from second equation we can write that the value of I1 is equal to Z22 upon Z21 I2 dash. So we have equation number A here and equation number B here. Putting the value of I1 in equation number A here, so Vs will become Z Z11, and the value of I1 we have calculated Z22 upon Z21 into I2 dash minus Z12 into I2 dash. Now from here Vs upon I2 dash we can calculate Z11, Z22 minus Z12, Z21 upon Z21. So this will become equation number 1. This is when we have kept excitation at port 1 and response at port 2. Now we are going to interchange this. Again, we will have same network. This will be plus minus V1 and I1. This will be plus minus V2 and I2. Now what we are going to do is we are going to give excitation at port number 2, that is Vs, and we are taking the response at port number 1 by short circuiting this. So this will become I1 dash. From here we can write I1 dash is equal to minus of I1, as well as the value of V1 will become 0 here due to short circuit, and here the value of V2 is equal to Vs. We know both equation. V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So from here, putting all this value, V1 is equal to 0, Z11, I1 we can write minus of I1 dash plus Z12 I2, and in equation number 2 here, V2 becomes Vs is equal to Z21, I1 means minus of I1 dash plus Z22 I2. From equation number 1, we can write the value of I2 is equal to Z11 upon Z12 into I1 dash, putting this value in equation number 2 here. So Vs we can write minus of Z21 I1 dash plus Z22 into the value of I2 will become Z11 upon Z12 into I1 dash. From here we can write Vs upon I1 dash is equal to Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21 upon Z12. So we have equation number 2 here. From equation number 1 and equation number 2, so Vs upon I2 dash must be equal to Vs upon I1 dash for reciprocity. So Vs upon I2 dash must be equal to Vs upon I1 dash. Putting all this value, Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21 upon Z21 is equal to Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21 upon Z12. From here we can say Z21 is equal to Z12. For Z parameter, the necessary condition is Z21 must be equal to Z12 for reciprocity. Now we are going to see the condition of symmetricity. So what is symmetrical network? A two-port network is said to be symmetrical network if the ratio of voltage to current at one port is same as the ratio of the voltage to the current at other port with one of the another port is open circuited. Means let us assume we have one two-port network here. This is plus minus V1 plus minus V2 I1 I2. So it is saying that the ratio of voltage and current must be equal to the other port V2 upon I2 when the other side is open circuited. Mean when we are taking the ratio of V1 upon I1, then I2 must be equal to 0 and V2 upon I2 when I1 must be equal to 0. These two values should be same for the symmetrical network. Means V1 upon I1 I2 is equal to 0 is equal to V2 upon I2 I1 is equal to 0. So this is the necessary condition of symmetricity. Now we are going to see for Z parameter. So we have V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, and we have V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. V1 upon I1 when I2 will be equal to 0, when we will put the I2 value will be 0, then the V1 upon I1 will becomes Z11, and here when V2 upon I2 when I1 is equal to 0, then this will become Z22. So from here we can say that Z11 must be equal to Z22. So this is the condition of symmetricity for Z parameter. So we have discussed the condition of reciprocity as well as the condition of symmetricity. Now I am going to write all the necessary condition. I am not going to explain in the detail, but here I can write the necessary condition for all the parameter. One side I am going to write the condition of reciprocity, and one side I am going to write the condition of symmetricity. For the Z parameter, Z12 must be equal to Z21, and for symmetric condition Z11 should be equal to Z22. For Y parameter, Y12 must be equal to Y21 and Y11 should be equal to Y22 here. Third point, for ABCD parameter, the determinant of ABCD matrix must be equal to 1. Means AD minus BC should be equal to 1, and for ABCD parameter symmetricity, the value of A must be equal to D. The fourth point is for H parameter, H12 must be equal to minus of H21, and for symmetricity condition, the determinant of H11, H12, H21, H22 must be equal to 1 here. And for the condition of G parameter, the value of G12 must be equal to minus of G21, and same here G11, G12, G21, G22 means the determinant of G matrix should be equal to 1. Before going to exam, we must remember all these formula because we are not going to derive in the exam. So we can save some time. So you should remember all this formula. So this is about the condition of reciprocity and symmetricity. Thank you.